Hello everybody, this is PillarTrading.com, and today for the chart of the day we are looking at the US dollar versus the Swiss franc on the spot exchanges. You can see here this is a 15-minute chart. Over the past 2 weeks we have been range bound on this pair, and we had what appears to be a blow off top here all the way up to 117.30. Okay, 117.30 was that high. Now that's important because we broke out of this range. We broke out of this top here at 116.95s. Also, the major sell-off directly afterwards back down to our support level. This support level has been holding this market up for the past week and a half. Okay, it came right down to that support level and bounced again. Saw buyers in the market. Now, where it sold off here, the daily resistance was here at 116s. 116s traded once, traded twice, and then sold off in a series of downward pressure moves. And now we are quickly approaching our third test of this weekly support area. Okay, sorry, fourth test. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth test of this weekly support level. Now this buy side activity has a target up here at 118, okay? 118 is the target on this buy side activity. But we've seen that blow off top. It hit 117.30s, didn't make it up to that target. The sell-off that followed led us right back down to support, and now we've bounced, sold off at our daily resistance level, and now we are targeting this area down here at 114.10s. 114.10s. If that hits its target, it will negate the bullish setup, and all those bulls, you're going to see stops hit from people who have bought here every time this thing has come down. The more times it comes down, the more people load up with contracts, and when that happens, you get a lot of buying and selling in that area. As soon as it breaks out either way, in this case to the downside, all those stops are going to get hit. You're going to see a lot of very quick price movement, and it's a move that you're going to want to be in on should it occur. Now, on a larger time frame, okay, this is again is the 15-minute chart. We take a step back. We can look at the daily chart. On the daily chart, our last bullish move was here at these 104.30s. Okay, that traded and its target was filled. The target was filled up here at 111.25s. Now, knowing that, the next thing we do is draw from there two highs to get the next weekly support level. Okay, should this break down, where's the next spot that the bulls can pick it back up again? The next spot is 110.82, 110.80. Okay, so should this break down, we're going to be in a series of bearish movements all the way down to the support level down here at 110.82. And again, that has a target up here at 120.40s. So should it break down, look for weakness to 110.82. Okay, big move, because this is a daily chart, but this is a weekly bias here. Weekly bias is to the upside. The daily bias is to the downside, testing this resistance, or I should say support area up here. So even taking a look further back at the weekly chart, you can see it again. We take another step back to the monthly chart, and you can see the enormous amount of bearish pressure on this market. We have come down and had a small double bottom here, but other than that, very bearish on this chart in the long term. Now, back to the 15-minute chart. Here it is again, guys. Just to remind you, should this break down, look for a lot of sell-off. Should we find support here and break out of this level, again, it's just a range play. There's no buying in between here, because you know ahead of time that that's not going to be proactive in finding a high probability trade setup. So this is just a range play, and the only way to get out of this range is to break below on the downward side after the sell-off. If we catch up here, don't anticipate this trading today above 117.30 unless we get some serious price action. So The play for the day is watching this move. If it breaks down, it breaks down. If not, find support, move back up, anticipating early next week this target trading up here at 117.90, 118 evens. So that's the play for today, guys, on that particular chart. If you've got questions or comments on other charts that we go over on the website, www.pillartrading.com, please leave the comments and questions there, and we'll try and get to them as quick as we can. Hopefully everyone has a good trading day, and I will see you all tomorrow.